Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss how can add text to speech in LearnDash. So currently if you see I have this access to any information easily, and there is no text to speech is there. So how can add in LearnDash? So if we talk about benefit, then it improve accessibility, help visually impaired user, support support multitasking learner, increase course in engagement, etc. So first we add code inside function.php. So first go to your child theme and add code inside function.php. So I am just adding it here. Okay, now checking again, so reloading again. Now it is showing, but it is not working because we do not add any JavaScript etc for it. And if you see, I use LearnDash topic before action for it, and make simple callback function, and inside that I added this code. Listen to this topic, you can modify which with your requirement, and you can also add css etc in your style. And now we will add JavaScript etc for it. So as we know, we add wp footer etc for add JavaScript. You can add by a different way, by a JS external GSX GSS etc. So I just copying it. You can copy from my site at here. And now check at here.
Access to any information
Now
easily means
it is
having the knowledge
coming
you need available
all thing.
instantly, without confusion or
And
delays.
if all
Our platform
done,
is designed to simplify the way you search, organize,
then
and
it will
consume
stop
information,
automatically.
ensuring that accurate and relevant
You
data
can
is
also
always within reach.
stop and start again and again. So just explaining this code. It is only for a singular SFWT topic, so it not for other post type. And add here, edit some selector. So if your code when we click at here then not working, then check it here, query selector, LearnDash content, LD tab content, or LD topic content. If not there, then change at here. I edit according to my content. And now I use this speech synthetics utterance, and you can also change language etc. Currently it is in English, so you can change according to your requirement. And add here, and when end, then again it come listen to this topic, and button text is stop reading. So I am again reading it, so that it will come as stop etc.
Access to any information easily
Now it
means
is
having the
coming
knowledge you need available instantly,
stop
without
reading,
confusion
and
or
it
delays.
automatically come
Our
as
platform is designed to simplify the way you search, organize, and
listen.
consume information, ensuring that accurate and relevant data is always within reach. With an intuitive interface and smart search capabilities, finding answers becomes quick, seamless, and stress-free. Whether you're making decisions, learning something new, or solving everyday challenges, easy access to information empowers you to act with confidence. From basic insights to detailed resources, everything is structured to save time and enhance productivity, so you can focus on what truly matters.
Now it is automatically converted to listen to this music and this topic. So by this method we can add audio in the LearnDash courses. And if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.